Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.